Good morning. This video is to show you how to set up either a sale or a coupon in your Etsy store. So the first thing that you would do would be go under marketing and then do sales and coupons, this is where this screen is right here. Now, if you want to set up something up here in the top right, you'll see new special offer. So click that and it's going to ask you, do you want to run a sale, send offers to interested shoppers, or create a coupon? First, we're going to do the run a sale. So you can determine here if you want to do a percentage off or offer free standard shipping. So say percentage off, and you can choose your discount. And you can go all the way up to, can you go higher than 70? I don't know. I mean, why would you want to? So 15% off. Now, the next is the minimum order to qualify. If you say none and they order something for $5, it's there, or $2, they get the 15% off. If you want to do a quantity that says you have to do, purchase 5 things in the shop or 2 things in the shop, or whatever number you want to do, or you can select order total. So you could put this on, say they get a 15% off if they on orders $20 or more in your shop, or just do none and all orders qualify. Now the duration, this is where you would want to schedule the beginning and the ending date for your sale. So like September 1st through September 30th, whatever. And here is just a little blurb that you can put in for your sale. So go fix my spelling. So during the month of September, please enjoy 15% off your total purchase. This is going to be a name your sale, so XYZ September 2019. And then, oops, so this is going to be, give me a second here, put in the valid dates. So next, when you hit continue down at the bottom, you have to actually add the listings. So if you have a few things in your shop, it won't take long. I have quite a few things, and since I want it to be my entire shop, I have to go in and select all my categories. To make sure that everything is added in. Once I get everything done, you hit the confirm button and it's going to show you the duration for the thing, which is what we set it up for, the dates. I am not actually going to activate this. There is a confirm and create discount. I'm going to cancel it for this video because I have a sale that's going to be during the Labor Day weekend set up. So I'm canceling it. So next would be send offers to interested shoppers. So you can select whether you want abandoned shoppers, abandoned cart shoppers, or the recently favored. You can do whichever you want. You can do a coupon for each one. You would have to set them up different. You could offer a percentage off, a fixed amount, or free standard shipping. And you would just do like if you wanted to do a 15% off here, you could just say 15% and then give it a coupon code, hurry back or whatever it is. If it was recently favored, same thing. You could say, come back or something like that, whatever you want to name it. I'm going to cancel this one right here, right now. The next thing that you can do is to create a coupon. And you can either offer the shipping, the percentage off, or a fixed amount off. I typically do a percentage off and do an order total or whatever it is. You can set your duration for this. One thing that you can do is send as a thank you. So if you click this right here, 24 hours after a purchase, Etsy will send this to a buyer that just purchased something and allow them a discount on their next purchase from your shop. And you can run it for as long as you want or no end date, and then you give your coupon code. So just wanted to put these up there for you so that you know how to set up the various different kinds of sales and coupons that Etsy allows you to do. So hope you learned something, and I know that Etsy does have specific sale periods that they try to encourage the shop owners to set up sales for. Labor Day is the one that's coming up. It's August 30th to, I think it's September 3rd or 4th. Then there's going to probably be a Halloween, definitely Black Friday / Cyber Monday for those in the United States, and then of course Christmas sales. So it's always good to run a sale when you can, if your price points allow you to run a sale. It might get new shoppers in and get a chance to move some inventory. So hope you run sales, and we will talk to you later. Bye.